Welcome to your weekend forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. Plenty going on over the next few days as things steadily turn colder. But overnight on Friday night, temperatures will actually start to rise. So we start the night at maybe -1 or -2 in the north. But actually temperatures, as I say, will be rising as we go through the night. At the same time, we will see wet weather working northwards. So for many, a dry end to Friday. Just a few showers, particularly across the west and across the Northern Isles. But here comes the rain, slowly but surely edging northwards, really after midnight. And by dawn, most of the country covered by that rain, with some hill snow mixed in. As I said, as that wet weather arrives, the winds will be picking up and it will also be turning milder. So on to Saturday's details, and early on certainly a fairly soggy start, but quite quickly that rain should start to clear from the southwest, and then it spreads its way into Orkney, where it may well last all day with a brisk and gusty wind. It may not fully get to Shetland, so something a bit drier here, but a wet day in Orkney, parts of Caithness and Sutherland. Following on from that rain, there'll be lots of showers in the west. These will be at rain at lower levels, but over the hills to the north of the central belt, there could well be some snow mixed in, particularly late in the day. So a bit of a mishmash of weather. Skies should brighten across parts of Aberdeenshire and the southeast as we go through the day, and temperatures probably actually dropping off a little bit come the afternoon. Generally 3 to 6 degrees. We might reach 8 for a time in 1 or 2 spots. During Saturday evening, I think we'll continue to see these showers fairly frequently across the south and the west, some snow over the southern uplands. This band further north, as it pushes southwards, that will have some more snow mixed in, initially over hills, but potentially coming down to lower levels, certainly by the time we get to Sunday morning. At the same time, though, it will be fizzling out. So Sunday we're left with kind of a northerly flow with wintry showers across Caithness, Sutherland and the Northern Isles, a few for Aberdeenshire, but many places dry and bright. A few showers then coming into the west, perhaps late in the day. It will be a colder day with temperatures struggling to get much above freezing in some locations. Most towns and cities up to about 4 or 5 Celsius, but feeling colder in the winds across the far north. Plenty going on then, and we're not done there, because it's likely to turn colder again as we go into the early part of next week. There's the continued risk of ice, and we'll see more snow showers. In a northerly wind, that means northern parts of the country most susceptible, with much of the central belt and the south likely to be dry and bright with sunny spells, albeit with that colder feel. Please keep up to date with the latest weather warnings from the Met Office through our app or our website, and make sure you're following us right across social media.